Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course Windows and Microsoft. We're in the spotlight, mostly Microsoft, in the spotlight with the earnings, where they had a year-over-year increase that's pretty incredible. Microsoft making more money than ever, a lot of it because of cloud, and of course Office subscriptions and things like that. But there's something that happened that we don't hear very often. And the short time that Satya Nadella had to talk about the earnings, he actually took the time, and I think this is important because for a long time, Satya Nadella actually forgot Windows and kind of pushed it in a way where it's like, well, Windows is not important anymore. Yes, Windows is not much of a revenue maker compared to the times of Windows 95, when 40 to 50 to 60% of the revenue of Microsoft was Windows. But it's still a big part of Windows. It's still a big part of Microsoft. And, roughly close to 10% of the revenues still come from Windows. That's a lot of money, and it's a lot of billions of dollars. Exact numbers are hard to find because they never really give any. But the fact that this time around, Satya Nadella had a phrase in the earnings that just said, we're working on making Windows 11 right, is a big, big statement. I think this is telling everyone that, what he thought was maybe something of the past that's dead is actually much more important than he thought. And they are coming back to this. So basically, it also means that maybe that's why there's a lot of push with making Windows 11 great again. And or great again is maybe not the perfect phrase, because for a lot of people it was not. But I think this is actually telling us that there's going to be a lot of resources put into making Windows 11 something amazing. And some have speculation saying, how about there would be no Windows 12? Windows 11 would be a perpetual, let's fix it and make it great Windows. Who knows? Only Microsoft knows, and there are hints of Windows 12 here and there, but like we say all the time, we never know what Microsoft does. Windows 11 arrived, and we were all surprised. We thought it was a big Windows 10 overall, and finally was a new Windows. So it'll be interesting to see what the future brings. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.